In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Meta AI chat history. If you want Meta AI to forget your previous conversations, there are a few built-in options you can use, and the process is pretty straightforward once you know the difference between resetting the AI and simply deleting a chat from your screen. To clear the current Meta AI conversation, start by opening your chat with Meta AI. In the message box, type /reset-AI, then send it. This command tells Meta AI to delete its copy of the messages and the conversation context it has stored for that specific chat. That means the AI should no longer use that conversation as memory for that thread going forward. If you want to clear all Meta AI conversations on a specific app, open any chat with Meta AI. Then type /reset-all-AIs and send it. This resets all Meta AI chats on that app, including AI interactions that may have happened in other chats. It removes Meta AI's stored copies of those conversations and any saved context connected to them. This is the broader cleanup option, so it's useful if you want a more complete reset instead of clearing just one conversation. After you've reset the AI, the next step is to remove the visible chat from your chat list. Go back to your chat list, find the Meta AI conversation, and delete that chat or conversation. This part is important because deleting the chat removes it from your view, but by itself, that does not necessarily reset Meta AI's stored context. The reset commands and deleting the chat do two different things, and using both gives you a more complete result. If you're using the Meta AI app, there's also another option available. Open Settings, then go to Data and Privacy, and after that, choose Manage Your Information. There, select Delete All Chats and Media. This removes your chat history and any generated media from the app, which can be helpful if you want to clean up everything inside the Meta AI app itself. For the most complete cleanup, use the /reset-all-AIs command first, then delete the chat or chats from your chat list. If you also use the Meta AI app directly, you can finish by going into the app settings and choosing Delete All Chats and Media. That's all it takes to clear your Meta AI chat history and remove old conversation context as thoroughly as possible.